Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to use the decorator concept here, okay? And we are going to just convert the string into the uppercase, okay? So let's just try to create a decorator, okay? Upper, which is going to take a function input, which is nothing. Let's say func as a parameter here, upper F, okay? And we are going to just create out a wrapper function so that it can decorate here for like we are giving out here arguments, positional arguments, and keyword arguments, and we are just going to store out the result by passing the func function, giving the arguments of positional and keyword, and simply we are going to return result dot upper. So whatever the result would be, it is going to just return that upper within uppercase, return wrapper. Let's just try to define the main function, that is, let's say we are creating out a grid function out here, okay, which is having a string. Let's say hello. I want everything to be in the upper cases. I'll just call out my grid function. So I've called out my grid function. Let's just try to get the answer in the upper cases. Okay, so I'm not getting currently, because this grid should be enclosed out within the print statement, because we have just used out the return function, right? You can see here we just got the hello in the upper cases. What we have given, we have created out a grid function hello string, we have passed out. Simply we have created out a decorator inside which the function is passed as a parameter. We have created out the wrapper function, store out the result, okay, and result is currently result is nothing but within this empty result we have converted out into the upper cases, okay. Whatever the result would be nothing but hello is being converted into the upper cases. I hope you guys understood the concept. Thank you.